Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host. And with me, live from Geneva, as all the other videos you are seeing, live from the Bâtiment Force Motrice, is Guillaume de Seynes, Executive Vice-Chairman of Hermès. Welcome, Guillaume.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure to see you.
I told you we are going to do those things in the old way, the old school way, analog. I drove here from Vienna to see Guillaume in person, as we always did in the last years when you're following what I've been doing. We always met and had a nice conversation. And just in case, before I give the word to Guillaume, if you have not seen the video about the Hermès H08 or H08, don't miss it. You will see all details I filmed about the watch.
Subscribe and hit the bell to get our latest notifications. Fasten your seatbelt for something new. We offer you the chance to win a priceless experience. New subscribers with an activated notification can win a watch manufacturer trip to Switzerland. Together with our partner from Tobel, we give away 10 all-inclusive trips worth a total of 50,000 Swiss francs. More details on watchadvisor.com. Furthermore, register there to double your chances to win. See you soon in Switzerland.
Guillaume, how is it in terms of living that situation in a company, making decisions, managing a company? What changed for you?
Hermès, I think, has resisted really well. Our figures were not so bad, even quite good for 2020, because it was only a minus 6% decrease of the turnover. I'm talking about the group in general. I think we were quite well prepared to some of the trends of this year, which were acceleration of previous trends. The most important thing during that year, and especially in France, where we have the majority of our employees, was to secure all the people working with us. For example, we decided to keep, even when the stores were closed or the factories were closed, we decided to keep everybody's salary, all the jobs, and without asking any help from the French state or from any government anywhere. We thought it was our responsibility as a profitable company and a solid company to ensure the security of our staff. Because I'm supervising at Hermès the whole of the production activity, and so I continue visiting production sites. But it's my first visit, I think, outside France in 6 months or 8 months.
Oh my goodness. I've been to Switzerland in March the first time. Yeah. It was like, I was really excited coming back, and I said I tended to kiss the floor like the Pope does because I was so happy. And now I'm in Geneva. Guillaume, you are always, besides all your activities at Hermès, you're also responsible for the watch business. Mm-hmm. You have been launching an exciting, beautiful and cool, really cool watch, I have to say. I got those watches, your team, they sent me the watches. I had time to fill them. Thank you very much for providing me those. And I'm really excited about that product because I wasn't expecting such a cool product. What was the mindset of Hermès doing the H08? What did you think? How could you get exactly in this direction? Because in my humble opinion, this is something that is so cool because it is there where it has to be. You say it's not a sports watch, but it is a watch you can alter around. It's perfectly positioned. Mm-hmm. What was the mindset of bringing this?
First, I would like to remind you that Hermès is a creation house. We have no marketing division at Hermès. It doesn't exist, this position. We are in creation. And creation means surprise, means be where the people who know you don't expect you to be. There are plenty of examples in the history of Hermès of that. Hermès has, of course, very ancient products, iconic products, which have been designed in the past and are still extremely sought after and extremely popular. But the main obsession is to really try to please the needs of our customers, and we thought that it was time for a contemporary watch, easy to wear, with a mechanic movement from Vaucher, our partner, lightness and easiness, and you said it, it's a watch for every circumstance of life. That was the idea.
I very much like your approach, saying, because it is, in fact, it could be sold as a sports watch. It's 100-meter waterproof, it's ultralight, and this is lots of comments already have been posted. Hermès, no leather strap. No, there isn't a leather strap. It's a rubber strap, and you have woven straps, and you have the titanium bracelet, but there's no leather strap. And this is that, it's 100-meter waterproof, you have a screw-down crown, it's an automatic, it looks good, readability is perfect, everything is there. You could dive with it, in theory, and it's kind of a, like, let's say, urban coolness you're wearing.
It's true, all of our watches are waterproof, at least to go swimming and so on, but the only part of the watch which is going to be suffering is the leather strap. This is, and our leather are of course try to be of the best possible quality, but with a very genuine aspect of leather. It's not covered, as we say, so it's relatively fragile, and it can't. It's damaged by seawater, certainly. Though, so that was also this idea to be completely in that idea of watch wearable in every circumstance.
In my opinion, a good decision, because this is exactly the watch you want. You buy it, you wear it, and you don't think anymore. If you're in a mood to jump into the water in your pool, you just go, take off, you go. One other thing that's, I don't get the point, I read the comments, and people still, unless we are very much reporting about it and showing those pictures. Hermès is a watchmaker, but some people seem not to understand, and they think that you are a dressmaker or a leather bag maker. But he pays the bills. Now please watch, he will tell you he's paying the bills, he knows it because it's his stuff. You have a case manufacturer, a dial manufacturer. You have a stake of 25% in Vaucher, so you're entitled to develop all your movements. Vaucher, the manufacturer, develops movements for the Parmigiani Group. It's part of the Parmigiani Group, but sells them to Richard Mille. So the best of the best are gathered.
Yes, the watch activity at Hermès started a long time ago in the 20s. My great-grandfather was quite interested by watches, and at that time, of course, he was interested by watches through the leather straps, which was his specialty. That was the first period, and then we continued in the 50s and the 60s, and at that time we worked a lot with Jaeger. In the 70s, that was another generation. That was my uncle, was the chairman of Hermès, and we decided to open our own subsidiary in Switzerland. That was 1978. And since then, I've been in charge for more than 20 years now, we decided to integrate more and more know-how, like we've done in other activities, like the tanneries, like the silk activity. And it's true that today I bought the 25% stake in Vaucher, which was as early as 2006, to secure the access to extremely good manufacture movements. And we integrated around 2012, 2013, our main case manufacturer, Erard, our main dial manufacturer, Natébert, and today both these activities are in our industrial premises in Le Noirmont, in the Jura, where we have a beautiful building. So it's true that we have the access and control of the most important know-hows, so we can say watches are made by us, yes.
Yeah, of course, you assemble the entire watches, of course. I would even say it is, you are a watchmaker. Many others buy screws, parts, of course.
Yes,
but you are a watchmaker, and you see this is, so please don't believe that they are not able to do it. They do, and it's typical Hermès, and this is what I have been knowing about the brand. If they touch something, they do 100%. It's not 90, it's 100, maybe sometimes even 110%. Even if I see the entire thing they build up just to make that digital presentations for the world press, I have to say, wow, you do it 110%.
Are you interested in the Swiss watch industry? Check out Fontobel's latest Swiss watch industry outlook on fontobel.com/watches.
Maybe we can talk a little bit about the figures for Hermès watches, because I gave you the figures for the group.
I didn't dare to ask.
No, but we had in the context of 2020, we had a very good year for Hermès watches. We managed to have a growth of the business of 2% and accelerating towards the end of the year, because we had a 28% growth at the last quarter. So it was extremely good news, and I would say this went through an increase of the average price. So we sold more complicated watches. We have this complication which is extremely successful, l'heure de la lune, which is quite a beautiful and new way of showing moon phases. But also we developed the sales of more precious watches. So of course the strategy is going to continue, and we are working on some new complication with try to combine a technical innovation with aesthetical innovation. So we are going to continue working in that direction, and you will have some other surprise. Yes.
Some useful, sporty, usable complications.
Yes.
Travel watch.
Yeah.
If I may make a wish, make a GMT function in that watch. The watch is so beautiful. Both aspects, being not round but not rectangular as well, and having integrated a usable, nice GMT function would be fantastic. Yeah. That's exactly the spirit of the watch then.
Yes.
Yeah, you use it on everyday purpose. You can travel with it. You have a real luxury item on your wrist. Well done and fair priced. Yeah. I was amazed about the fair pricing of these watches. And I have to say, really, as we say in French, chapeau to Hermès.
Thank you.
In terms of what I experienced when I had them in my hands, on my wrist.
I wear it with a lot of pleasure.
Guillaume, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm happy that we met
Absolutely.
live. Thank you also for sharing some figures. It's always, the Hermès very discreet, so I didn't dare to ask. Guillaume, thank you for also sharing some figures. Continue to be so creative. It's amazing. That's what people need. Make them dream. Make them feel life, inhale life again. And this is, I think, what we need after the crisis.
I agree. I fully agree. I'm already impatient to have to be in Geneva 2022 live.
Thank you for watching. You see, life is life. It's analog. It's not behind a digital screen. And I'm so happy that we have been making it. Thanks for watching. Hermès is a watchmaker, so no doubts anymore. No, you just need to watch our videos. And the watch Guillaume talked about, there are videos on our channel. You can discover the technology behind. We presented the watch in 2019 or 18. When did you present
L'heure de la lune?
19, yeah. It was 19. We filmed the watch at the SIHH. We have detailed videos. Just look at them. I will put the links in the description so you can discover the watch. We had the big, maquette, how you say it in English? Mock-up, where we could show. So it's everything there. Discover it, have fun, and see you soon back here on WatchAdvisor on YouTube. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Hey, have you packed your luggage? If not, do so. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. You will get the chance to win your exclusive trip to Switzerland.